Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting immediately. Open PowerShell as administrator because many product key checks need elevated access. Once done, confirm Office version by running a quick command to inspect installed products. This tells you whether to query the registry or use built-in Office utilities. Make sure Office apps are closed so files aren't locked. If you prefer a GUI, open Settings Apps Now for version context, then return to PowerShell to run the exact discovery commands. Next, run the appropriate command to pull licensing data. For MSI installs, use WMI queries, while click-to-run installs require Office C2R or the OSP. VBS script inside the Office folder. Once executed, scan output for license status, product key ID, or last 5 characters of the key. These are clues to your activation type. You'll see whether it's retail, volume, or subscription. If results look encrypted, export the relevant registry values or use Microsoft's support tools to map the identifiers to a usable key. Finish by confirming the extracted key type and using the last 5 digits to match records in your Microsoft account or license portal, then re-enter the key if needed via Office activation or settings. Once activated, run an Office update to verify stability. If nothing appears, make sure you search the correct registry hive and ran scripts as admin, then try the Office repair utility. If activation still fails, contact your administrator or Microsoft support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.